Right, welcome back to the channel. Now I know it's been a long time since I made a video and I do heavily apologise for that. Well, not literally, but this has been recommended, or I've been asked by multiple people to make a video on this panel about, was it a year or two ago now? When I first got it, I did a brief sort of overview of it. But today I have briefly got a little demo going. So I've got a Lintec sound bomb. This is wired into the well, there's the terminal saying internal bell, and there's an external bell. Here we have, this acts as the door contact. And let me just turn off and let power down. That's the sound bomb. So here's the inside. As you can see, external bell, internal bell, got backup battery. So that wired into the first. There's only 2 zones on here. I don't know what that does. Doesn't really affect anything. But for some reason, I don't think there is an entry or an exit or delay. I think it's just 2 zones. But that dial doesn't do anything. Both the terminals are instant activation. So general consensus is that there isn't an entry exit terminal. Now we have a bell test button, of course. All panels of the range have one of these. I've got a Yale key switch. It's made by Acorn, by the way. We've got fault, clear, and then mains fail charger. So it says a backup battery and a power fails. Or there's a power cut, it will tell you. So if I put this into on, the clear light will come on, meaning that the circuit is complete. If I open the door and try and arm it, you get the fault light, obviously. So let me try and reconnect these little wires. Right, they are now connected. So if I turn on the panel and break them, it goes off. And that is, ladies and gentlemen, how an alarm works. So I'm not really much sure what else I can show you. Apart from that, it works. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, because the house already has an alarm and the workshop already has an alarm. So probably just be used as a prop, or just take it out now and then to be looked at. But hope you enjoy this little update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.